Hello and welcome to pt2 with my grandson, Jaxson. Take your hammer. Building his birdhouse. Yeah. Do this one. Slowly but surely, we're knocking the nails into it, suppose we're putting the side on. Oh, and here we are. Hit that one again, hit that one with the hammer, hit that. And we've just finished putting the side onto the birdhouse. Ooh, we got one side done. Smile at the camera. See, I got one side done on my birdhouse. Oh, and Jaxson's doing well putting his birdhouse together. Look at that. Don't put nails in there. Oh, don't put nails in there just yet. Not yet. We got to put the front of it on before we put them nails in. Look at that. 3 sides of it done. And a base. Look. Oh my word. Jaxson's doing good at building his birdhouse. Oh, let's see what it looks like after he puts the front of it on. Back in a minute. Oh, looky here. Jaxson's put his birdhouse together.
You put my gatehouse.
And look. That's where the bird will go inside. Do you like your birdhouse? We need to put a roof on it.
But right in there, it's like home.
We need to put a roof on it. Where's our roof? That's a side. That's a side piece. That's a side piece. Oh, that one's got an R on it. Could that be a roof? Oh, that's a side piece. Oh, that's the roof. Look at it. Fits just on top.
Then on top too.
There's not much overhang on that one.
Papa, bring your hand.
We don't need 2 pieces on there for a roof. We just need the one.
One more.
Oh, is that one going to be the roof? Nope, that's a back. That's a back for the other one. What did we do with the bigger roof? That's the base, that's the side, that's the back.
That helps you.
Has Papa lost the roof? I think Papa... No, that's the base. I think. Yep.
I had the dollar.
That's the base for the other one.
I had the dollar. I had the dollar.
You have to do that.
I had the dollar.
That's not it. Or did I just not cut the roof? It looks like I didn't cut the roof. Uh-oh. Guess that is the roof. Guess that is going to be the roof.
Baba, I had dollar. Baba.
You know you're not holding the camera. You dropped it on the floor. Papa can't afford to drop cameras on the floor. Oh, looky there.
Why?
Jaxson's birdhouse. Jaxson got his birdhouse built. Whoop. Tell everybody you built a birdhouse.
A bird right out of the house.
Tell, stand in front of it. Stand in front of it so you can be on camera. Yeah, that's my birdhouse.
That's my birdhouse.
I built it on my own.
Yeah, I own.
Papa only helped a little bit,
Papa has a little bit.
but that's my birdhouse.
That's my birdhouse.
And it's gonna go in the tree.
It's a going tree.
Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
See? You'll be on camera. Yep. Cut. Say goodbye everybody.
Bye bye, everybody.